Figma just announced some major new updates, and honestly, a few of these are features UI/UX designers have literally been waiting over 10 years to get. From a complete overhaul of how we organize files inside Teams to smarter AI controls inside Figma Make that save both time and generation credits. In this video, we are doing a full deep dive into 5 brand new updates that will immediately upgrade your daily design workflow. No unnecessary intro fluff. Let's jump right in. First up is the headline feature. Figma has finally launched folders. For years, managing complex client projects required messy workarounds. Figma is now officially replacing the old project system with a flexible folder structure. Inside your team workspace, you will now find team folders sitting at the top with unorganized drafts neatly separated below. Each folder can be custom named, color coded, and starred for quick access. But the real magic is the new nested folder feature. You can now drag and drop folders inside each other up to 10 levels deep, allowing you to structure design systems, brand assets, and client deliverables with real hierarchy. Even better, nested folders support granular permissions. You can grant specific freelance designers or stakeholders access to just one subfolder without exposing the rest of your team's workspace. Here's what you need to know about availability. Nested folders and subfolders permissions are available on paid premium plans. Free plan users can create standard top level folders but not nested subfolders. If you don't see folders in your Figma app yet, don't worry. Figma is rolling this out gradually over the coming weeks. Our second major update focuses on Figma Make, and it solves a huge friction point for designers working with AI tools. Previously in Figma Make, if you generated designs or code layouts, making manual style adjustment was a total headache. Syncing precise visual changes between the prompt panel and the live canvas was difficult. To fix this, Figma introduced a dedicated properties panel inside Figma Make, bringing over the familiar design controls you already use in Figma Design. Now you can directly manipulate typography, alignments, border strokes, auto layout, padding, and the grid structures without writing complex prompts or messing with underlying code. To make things even smoother, they have added AI annotations similar to leaving feedback comments for a human designer. You can now attach special notes directly into specific UI element on the screen. The AI reads the exact visual context of your pin and applies targeted edit automatically. This means you can request multiple design refinements in a single pass instead of reprompting over and over, saving you heaps of time and conserving your monthly AI credits. If you want to stay ahead of every design shift, tool, update, and practical UI UX workflow, hit the subscribe button. We break these updates down every single week. Update number 3 is massive productivity booster for visual design, simultaneous image editing and generation. If you have used Figma AI to generate or tweak hero images, UI avatars or background textures, you know how frustrating it was to sit and wait for each render to finish before working on the next asset. Now Figma allows multi-tasked AI processing. You can select an image, fire off an AI transformation command, and immediately move to another image on your canvas to trigger a second prompt. Both operations run in parallel in the background. If you are building out full landing pages or e-commerce cards that requires multiple custom visuals, this batch workflow cuts your editing time in half. Our fourth update is a great opportunity to expand your skill set, Figma is offering 2 weeks of free access to Figma Weave. If you haven't explored Figma Weave yet, it's their node-based visual tool built specifically for complex image generation, video editing, motion design, and automated workflows. Testing node-based workflows gives you a huge advantage as AI tools become more integrated into the product design teams. Lastly, Figma just released their official 2026 AI in Design Workspaces report. This research dives deep into a real data from thousands of design teams showing exactly how top companies are integrating AI into daily workflows, how job roles are shifting, and what skills UI UX designers need to stay competitive this year. I have included this link to both the official Figma V trial and the full AI report in the video description below. Whether you are organizing team projects with nested folders or building faster prototypes with Figma Make, these updates make the 2026 design workflow faster and cleaner than ever. Which of these new features are you going to test first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to make sure your designs stay ahead of current industry standards, check out our video on the top UI UX design trend on screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.